ईद मुबारक एवरीवन. सो ईद मुबारक सबको जो आज ईद सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. आई नो इट्स नॉट ईद इन इंडिया येट, बट वी आर इन कैनेडा, सो वन डे हम पहले ईद मना लेते हैं, राइट?
So we have some
हर
kind of
टाइम
early
की तरह.
Eid this time, right?
या ऑब्वियसली ईद 7th की थी, लाइक मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली.
Yep.
But you know, Eid is every time tentative. There's no fixed date for Eid. So we are celebrating it today, and all the namaz and everything we are done. I know it's a rush. जो भी वो 7 से 10 बजे तक का टाइम होता है ना, no matter you're in India,
It flies.
and it's so rushing. ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे I don't know why आप 7 बजे भी उठो, 6 बजे भी उठो, बट जो वो नमाज तक का टाइम होता है ना, जब तक आप मस्जिद में बैठते नहीं हो अपनी प्रेयर मैट पे,
Settled, right?
you know, you have that thing going on. And अगर अभी भी, like, you know, you guys see my house, it's a mess. It's like कोई earthquake आया वहाँ पे.
This mess.
And can you imagine, we are just people, like 2 people.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter, family of 10, 20 or 2.
It's always a
It's the
rush.
same rush. So I'll take you a quick check what happened from that 8 to 10 time. Rush, washroom fights, you know, it goes on and all. So we are done with our namaz and let's celebrate Eid together today. I know we are not having any family here, like our own family. So it is always very, very, like, you know, I have a heavy heart always this morning, like Eid morning. जब भी ये ईद का मतलब दोनों दो ही ईद होती है, एंड उन दोनों ईद के मॉर्निंग का जो टाइम होता है ना, आई हैव अ वेरी हैवी हार्ट. Oh God, I don't want to cry right
So let's
now.
do one thing about. They can just go back and see what happened in morning.
Yeah.
And we are rushing to coffee.
Yeah, we are going for the breakfast.
Yeah.
I don't know what's that man doing, और इसको अभी क्यों आना था? He's just cleaning the grass.
Yeah. Okay.
So
let's go
we
there.
are done. We are leaving from the masjid and we are going back home having breakfast because I'm so hungry, and same as Imran.
Yep.
Because it's 11 a.m. right now. हमने 10 बजे की ही नमाज आज भी पढ़ी थी. So let's, till the time we reach home, you check what happened in the morning.
Yep.
We are running late as usual. As usual. Okay, thankfully lift आ गई time पे. Oh God. So we managed to just leave on time. 9:30 अभी हो चुके हैं, 9:34 and 10 बजे की नमाज है. But it's out of space always, right? There are people going for namaz too. Because मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि Imran, why you went from this place? उधर से नहीं जाना?
Different parking.
डिफरेंट पार्किंग. आज के टाइम में जो भी वाइट कलर के इसमें आउटफिट में दिखेगा ना, दैट मीन्स ही इज सेलिब्रेटिंग ईद, बिकॉज इट्स फ्राइडे, और फ्राइडे के दिन कोई क्यों ये वाला ये आउटफिट पहनेगा. इमरान, डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया और यू वांट टू से समथिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईद दैट विल नॉट रश?
We'll go early morning. 6 a.m. Oh, 7:30.
कितने बजे?
7:30.
इमरान, आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट.
But there are different timings.
डू यू थिंक विल मैनेज लाइक देयर, विल मैनेज टू बी देयर?
I am an early person, right?
ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए आई विल बी ऑल्सो अर्ली फॉर द नमाज.
I am good, I can manage.
बट अभी के लिए तुम्हें लगता है हमें पार्किंग वगैरह मिलेगी?
Yeah, because I'm going to.
Fingers crossed. Let's see what's there.
मिलेगी, सब मिलेगी.
बट मुझे ना फिर लास्ट में नमाज नहीं पढ़नी है कभी भी. वहाँ पे बहुत अजीब से होता है फिर लास्ट में नमाज पढ़ना.
It's fully packed, people. That's why.
That let's see how it is. It's a very different feeling. Friday के दिन everyone is working and we are going for Eid celebration. It's a all together different feeling. What?
This is not an official holiday in Canada.
Of course, it's not an official holiday. It's just we managed our work like that so that we. Oh my God! Can you see people? Oh my God! Masjid तो already full है.
Let's see.
Let's see. Let's hope for the best. So we are not able to find parking. It's fully packed and हमें मस्जिद के 500 meters दूर parking एक मिली है, and that too just one spot. This is also getting fully booked. Let's see. We got the parking, but बहुत दूर यहाँ पे, and we are walking towards masjid.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر ولله الحمد.
We got the whole full box of mango and इमरान इसने मुझे टेस्ट करवाया मैंगो भी और ये भी melons भी. And melons too for $5, mango box for $20, and strawberries, overloaded strawberries for $5. So we are done for the fruits for the next 2 weeks. So guys, I'm back after 4 hours. Basically we came home, we had breakfast and हमने बहुत non-stop बात की back home India because we spoke to my family, Imran's family, and I think Eid में you have this job only when you live so far away from home. आप बस family से ही बातें करते हो phone पे and then you know you ease out yourself. Anyway, after that we slept, not we, me slept because I don't know why I was so tired. We woke up like 6:30ish in the morning and I needed that nap. And I believe मुझे लगता है ईद के दिन जो 12-1 बजे के बाद का टाइम होता है ना, everyone is sleeping. I don't know why, for 1 hour or half an hour, depends on the work. But now we are so hungry and I'm eating this. I don't know, these days I'm obsessed with this soya chips and Indian store में मिलता है ये from the name of Good Juice. You can see this and I'm obsessed with these. So I was just munching on these because I'm hungry. So we are going to eat something because we are damn hungry right now. I forgot to tell you one thing. Before going to eat something, we have a mini barbecue party at home. So हमें उसके लिए kit लेनी पड़ेगी. So for that we have to go to the receptionist and take the kit. Let me show you from the back camera. Kit. Imran, can you open the kit? What is inside the kit?
This is too professional.
What is it?
This is too much of professional.
Oh, ये सारे equipments है. And what is this thing, Imran? ये क्या है? Oh, this is the apron.
I am the chef.
Let's. ये और फिर जाएंगे or should we take it along?
So let's check that whole
Oh,
thing.
yeah. So this is the barbecue area we have, but I think we have not this side. We have the other one. Imran, but ये clean है? Or we have to clean it? And we have the sitting area here. So we are out to eat some quick bite of something because we were so hungry. We couldn't resist till the barbecue thing. And can you guys imagine what are we eating? That too on Eid. Just imagine. Let me actually show you. And I think it's already giving me a heart attack. No, I'm exaggerating. But to all those people who are watching me from back home, they can relate. Mainly इस वाली ईद पे I'm eating a veggie patty sandwich. Can you imagine? Not sandwich, sorry, what am I saying?
Veggie patty.
Veggie patty Subway. Imagine. Chicken भी नहीं है. This is a veggie. You can see. It's a veggie patty because Subway में halal option नहीं होता. So this is the only option we have and हमारे घर के पास भी है. So we had no choice. So let's just enjoy
But
this
because of reason, right?
without any guilt. Yeah, there's a reason because Sham ko we are going to have non-vegetarian. So that's the only one. So let's enjoy this. Imran, enjoy yours as well.
Yep.
Imran is like not interested.
Kind of. I'm.
So hey guys, we are back after the Subway. We had a quick change because we are going for a barbecue and I have never ever done this kind of stuff before in Canada. So I am kind of excited. So I just changed and I just wanted to be in the comfortable clothes. And I am just doing the preps. Yeah, Imran also changed. And we are doing some small preps. You can see I'm cutting some veggies for the sides and some lemons as well because barbecue mein lemon important hota hai, right?
I'm taking this one.
Yeah. And we are running so late. We have to be there 5:30 downstairs because we got the key and kit as already.
The chef kid.
So let's just cut it because I don't want to be late.
No.
Imran, all set? चलो इसको पहले इसको टेबल पर डालते हैं ना इमरान.
Yeah, very good.
टेबल क्लीन है ना?
See my skills. Oh, perfect, Viva. See?
Yeah.
Perfect.
ये कश्मीर से लाया था पता है? ये वाला दस्तरखान, ये दस्तरखान है actually. So I'm just preparing the stuff and Imran has, oh Imran is here. Imran, all set? I think उसके ऊपर रखना पड़ेगा ये. इसके ऊपर रखो यार. So we got all the stuff. ये bowl क्यों ले गया है? Salad के लिए?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So salad is fine with this bowl.
Yep.
So we got the tostitos, we got all the marinated chicken here. So Imran, are we done with the chicken?
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? Enough है ना chicken?
Yeah.
So we got some paneer, marinated paneer,
This
and
is
we have
chicken.
the chicken,
Yep.
and everything is done. Imran, corns कहाँ पे है?
Corns.
Oh yeah, we have the corns also. So Imran is just doing the final touch. Imran, अब तो clean हो गया, right?
It's done.
I think it's done. इतना भी, और जो ये black होता है ना, ये होता है barbecues में. Grill ऐसे ही होते हैं.
Just like pre-washed kind of.
Yeah, cleanness के लिए. I cleaned the entire area. No matter it was clean, but मैंने इसको बहुत clean किया Colin से. Done फिर? So the table is all set and we are good to go, and I'm super excited for this barbecue dinner. I don't know what I call it, dinner/snack time. And table and all is set, and I don't know what Imran is doing. Imran, what are you doing? What are you doing? Imran is preheating. I don't know, Imran is taking forever to just preheat this barbecue griller, I don't know, oven, whatever it is called. And we are all set. The table is set and it's a very good weather. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब windy है थोड़ा सा, but it's like good. It's a good pleasant weather. It's not that sunny and बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी भी नहीं है.
It's good for dinner.
Yeah, it's very good weather. And I'm loving this. Obviously थोड़ा like you know, it's in front of the road, so traffic is little bit on a higher end right now क्योंकि office से सब निकल रहे हैं, right? It's a Friday evening, but that's okay, right?
Still, it's good, right?
We are at least enjoying seeing people going.
Barbecue style.
Yeah, this is the first time I am doing this thing. And what about you?
Kind of. First time I can say.
मेरे लिए तो मतलब we have done a lot of barbecues कश्मीर में, क्योंकि कश्मीर में जो ये वाली ईद होती है ना, इसमें barbecues ही करते हैं mostly. But in Canada, this is the first time, so I don't know how things go. It might be wrong, so let's see. Let's go with the flow, right?
Yep.
बाकी हमारी टेबल तो पूरी
Let
सेट
me
है.
get some more stuff.
अब क्या लेना है? Speakers, yeah. Speakers are pending, so Imran is getting speakers from upstairs.
Eid Mubarak, everyone. So we are done the barbecue. Yeah. So now we're gonna ask everyone how the food was. Let's start off with Myra. Myra, how was the food?
The food was really good, and it was really yummy.
Yes. What do we eat?
We ate chicken. I forgot the rest of it.
Okay. Okay, great. Now let's ask Fiba.
What should I say?
How was the food?
The food was awesome. And who made it? You, right?
Yes.
So we have the master chef here. Are you the sous chef
Yes.
or Myra is the sous chef?
Myra is.
Okay, so the chefs were amazing today and we had amazing food.
Yes.
I ate like 5 pieces.
Which one was your favorite?
Mine was the tandoori one.
Okay.
And which one was yours?
Mine had to be the corn.
The corn? I like the corn too.
Yeah.
So go and ask the rest of the people.
Okay. Now let's ask a special guest from India. Now we have Nani or Pooja.
Eid Mubarak to you all, Ahan and Myra. They are doing very well and we have enjoyed very much today.
How was the food?
Food was too good. It was made by Ahan. Barbecue was good. I have eaten that corns that I like too much.
Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, now Myra, you're gonna ask the next person. Who's next?
Next, we have Imran. Yay! Imran. Hi.
What's
How did you like the food?
I made the food, right?
We made the food. We made the food.
Oh, made by that is made by Chef Ahan, right?
Yes.
Grill master.
Yes, I am the girl master.
Okay, so the food was good, and my hands are. I don't know why. They're pretty much.
My hands are like clean. I didn't really.
No, because you are
I
too.
wore
Because
gloves.
no, you were too professional, right? That's why. That's the main reason, right? I'm
Too professional.
Yeah. Yeah, take a mic. Go ahead.
Okay. Next person, we have Papa, also known as Raj. Okay. Papa, how is the food?
Everything is excellent. We are enjoying the barbecue party, and it's Eid Mubarak to Imran and Fiba family, both in India and Kashmir. Thank you very much.
And now we have CEO of Stay Home Canada Immigration Consultancy, Yuvika Kanija. Dun dun dun. Hello, Yuvika Kanija.
Hi. What should I say?
How was the food?
Food. Who made the food?
Ahan Kanija.
Just by wearing the apron?
No, he actually made it. He made the corn.
Okay. It was really good. Barbecue was amazing.
Now, lastly, we have Ahan, the chef. Totally. Okay, hello everyone. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Okay, so what's my question? How was the food? The food was great. I really loved it. I loved the corn. Everything was great. As a hardworking chef, this was really deserved. The view outside's beautiful. It's such a nice day today. So yeah. Right, Imran?
What is happening, guys?
We're just talking about how good the food was today.
Kind of good because I know Ahan made for the first time.
Yes. Basically, that's it. I don't know. See you guys later.
Yeah, bye.